there, curious cubs! Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, wow, what would it be like to fly into space? Well, today, I'm going to tell you the incredible story of the first ever astronaut. Buckle up, because we're about to take off. Long, long ago. Well, not that long ago. In the year 1961, a man named Yuri Gagarin did something no human had ever done before. He became the very first person to travel into outer space. But wait, before Yuri became an astronaut, he was just a regular boy who loved airplanes. He dreamed of flying high, and guess what? He became a pilot. Pretty cool, right? Then one day, scientists said, hey, we need someone brave to go where no human has ever gone before. Into space! And guess what? Yuri said, I'll do it. On April 12, 1961, it was finally time. Yuri climbed into a special spaceship called Vostok 1. It was a small round capsule, kind of like a giant flying soccer ball, but instead of kicking it, they blasted it into the sky. Boom! The rocket shot up, faster than a speeding race car, faster than a cheetah, faster than anything on Earth. Yuri looked out of his window and saw Earth from space! He was the first human to ever see our planet like that. And do you know what he said? He said, the Earth is blue. Wow! Can you imagine looking down and seeing the whole world from above? Yuri zoomed around the Earth in just 108 minutes. That's less than the time it takes to watch a whole movie. Then, it was time to come home. Whoosh! He re-entered the atmosphere and safely landed back on Earth. People cheered, clapped, and celebrated. Yuri Gagarin became a space hero. And because of his bravery, more astronauts got to explore space too. So curious cubs, what do you think? Would you like to be an astronaut one day? Maybe one of you will be the first person to walk on Mars. Pause excitedly. Or maybe the first kid to go to space? Keep dreaming big, keep asking questions, and remember, the sky is not the limit. It's just the beginning. See you next time on Curious Cub. Bye-bye, space explorers.